Numerous plants are susceptible to this widespread ailment. This condition is frequently associated with Uromyces phaseoli. The first symptoms, which often emerge on the underside of leaves, are tiny, round, reddish-brown spots that expand among emerging white fungal patches. On the leaf blade, pustules may first form in little clusters before merging into larger regions. Later in the season, straight dark brown patches also emerge. The top leaf surface may become totally covered in patches due to a severe illness. The leaves shrivel, dry out, and fall off. Petioles, bark, and stems may also be impacted at this stage of the illness. Significant yield losses result from severe leaf drop. This condition often appears when the pathogen is present in plant debris in the soil or on alternative hosts. Primary fungal infection is caused by spores being ejected from the soil onto older leaves at the base of the plant. Secondary spread from one field to another is due to wind. The onset of fungal infection and dispersal is promoted by warm temperatures, 21 to 26 degrees Celsius, humid and cloudy weather combined with dense nighttime fog. A few natural methods that may help include plant extracts of sage, Salvia officinalis, and Potentilla erecta are effective as a protective measure against fungal development when signs are detected. When the problem becomes more serious, treatments such as the following may be used. Always consider an integrated approach, combining preventative measures with biological treatments if available. Chemical treatment may not be feasible if the fungal infection is detected at a later stage. If fungicides are needed, products containing mancozeb, propiconazole, copper, or sulfur compounds can be used as foliar sprays, usually 3G/L water. Begin application immediately after the first appearance of the disease and repeat after 15 days. To reduce the likelihood that this may occur again, use verified disease-free seeds or seedlings from robust plants. If there are disease-resistant or tolerant plant kinds in your region, plant them. In your growth region, do not plant other hosts. Eliminate weeds and other host plants from your field. Keep an eye on contaminated plant portions and remove them. Every 3 to 4 years, make sure to rotate your crops with non-host plants. Plant debris can be removed by deep plowing and burning it. In summary, the underside of leaves develops tiny, circular, reddish-brown dots. On the leaf surface, these dots eventually combine to form bigger patches. Late in the season, straight dark brown patches emerge. Petioles, bark, and stems are all affected by the illness. Leaves dry, shrivel, and fall off, leading to leaf drop and reduced yield. Subscribe for more tips about plant health and care.